Why PA Precision? Part 1. There are many companies doing precision manufacturing work. So as a client, why should you choose PA Precision for manufacturing of your precision components? There are 4 reasons for that. We'll discuss each one by one. Reason 1. Team of hardcore and passionate engineers. We are a team dedicated engineers. Altogether our experiences of 47 plus years in precision manufacturing and machining of components. We all keep ourselves updated with new knowledge and developments occurring in the industry. This helps us in serving our clients' needs in the most effective way. When you come to us, you get backup of our whole engineering team. Reason 2. Technical knowledge and technical know-how. We do equip ourselves with all the knowledge needed to do the precision work for our client. But we feel that it is not enough. Because without the know-how and using that knowledge, it's of no use. Also, knowledge is in abundance. And with internet almost anybody can get access to all kind of knowledge available. The important thing is to have the ability to implement that knowledge. This is where our technical know-how related to precision parts manufacturing comes into picture. Our team has the ability to implement and use technology in precision machining and manufacturing quite comfortably. Part 1 end here.